Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of ClickSites AI. Okay, when you are logged in, you're going to see the dashboard, you can see pages, you can create different workstations. We've got so many different integrations, whether it's AI, whether it's autoresponder, whether it's design tools, webinar, and so much more. So when you're in here for the first time, you can see sites are pretty much generated literally by AI. Okay, so I'm going to show you a demonstration of that right now. So go ahead and select quick create page, and you're going to see three powerful features with the AI Studio, the AI template and AI canvas, which I'm going to walk you through every single one of them and show you how you can create your sites rapidly using AI. Now, any one that you do choose, what you will see with the AI Studio and template is that we can actually build these sites in multiple different languages, and even with the AI canvas, you can actually have the multilingual widget available. Okay, so a huge array of different languages you can choose from. So whether for personal or client usage, this will be absolutely brilliant because you can cater to other than just English speaking viewers or surfers, okay, to your site. So with the AI Studio, it's going to simply ask you to describe your business or website idea, and then it will go ahead and generate an outline for you. With the AI template, you're going to see beautiful templates that you can actually select and choose from, long length, that are perfect for any niche or category. All content is going to be AI created, including the imagery, so don't worry about any copyright infringements because we have you covered with that. So you can see all these beautiful templates. You've got nice sleek design, contemporary, dark themes, so whatever it may be, we've got a huge array to cover you with. And with the AI canvas, this is beautiful SaaS style level sites that are created powerfully by AI, and everything is driven with AI as well. We can actually have a nice conversation and actually build out your site. Now, the powerful feature with the AI canvas is you can reimagine any website. You have any website in mind that you want to model, simply drag and drop or copy and paste, that URL here, and it will reimagine the entire site. Alongside that, you do have the ability of adding a image if you have an example that will create the site. And I'm going to show you all of these in this very short demonstration on all these capabilities. But let's start off with the AI Studio that will create beautiful, compelling magazine style websites. So I'm going to describe the business that I have in mind, and I'm thinking, let's go for dentistry. Okay, so once I do dentistry, I can actually select a different language, but for now, let's stick it with English. Select dentistry, and then we're going to go ahead and generate. Just like that, it's giving me business information. I can adjust the business name, the type, the field, all of this information, and then we've got selected sections. So you can actually add more sections, or you can select the section that you want in your website, and the AI, which will be up to 10, will create those. So just imagine your website has a particular number of sections where you want to maybe show your benefits, the process, the portfolio, case study. All of that stuff gets covered. Okay, whatever you select. So let's put testimonials and case studies, and you can see we're out of 9 out of 10. And all I'm going to do next is select generate website. That's it. Okay, right now you can see it is now getting built. Okay, website is done. Let's go ahead and open the studio. Now straight away, what we're going to see with this studio, you're going to see all this fantastic information. Okay, you can see the entire website has now been created. We've got a number of different functions you can actually do from the get-go. Typography you can change, you can see the style straight away. Immediately you can change the page. Okay, and not only that, we are going to look at the editor inside, which I will show you later on, because I want to show you the other stuff, the other amazing stuff, and I don't want to jump in this just yet because I have so much still that I want to share with you. Okay, so let's go back to the AI template. Now, AI template, let's have a look. Let's type in, let's just say, let's find a template first. Let's find a really nice one. Okay, here's a beautiful software one. Oh, select template. Let's call this mobile repair. Okay, and we'll select generate. Straight away, it's giving us business name, and it's giving us all the section and bullets, and some of them, well, not some of them, you can actually delete, add if you want, address, feedback, reviews, anything else like that. We can actually add and edit, and we can add, but I'm going to go ahead and select generate. Okay, let's look at the website, and there we have the editor there. Now when we open it, you'll see a similar editor to the studio. So here we have a beautiful website, all created, all content done for us, which we can fully customize. So what we do, let's jump back and I'll show you how we can edit all of this later in this video. Welcome. Now let's go to the AI canvas, and what you're going to see now, I'm going to ask the application just to build a software sales website. Okay, so we can create all types of website. It doesn't matter what the agenda is or what the topic is, but straight away you can see this was a sales software sales style website. You can see it has been beautifully created right in front of your very eyes. And the amazing thing about this is that you will actually ask AI for edits. So on the column to the left, you'll see you'll not only have the ability to chat with the AI for any edits, you can actually instruct it, select the design element you want to change, and then straight away you'll see it will start generating those changes, whether it's color changes, whether you want to add new sections, rows, blocks, if you want to update imageries, etc., etc. So right now, I'll go ahead and ask the AI to add a new section for a video. Maybe I want to incorporate a product review video, so on and so forth. And not only that, here you can see we've got something more advanced where it's the HTML, okay, image, or image to HTML input. So you can see I can get any kind of image, capture it from something that I like off another website, input it in ClickSites AI, and you can see you'll see the example right here now, and I've added it now into ClickSites AI. And with ClickSites AI, especially the AI canvas and the additional AI template, you can see we can actually now have it converted into an image and embed it into our website, and we can make it all nice and congruent and have a beautiful flow, and everything will be customized, whether it's color, font, etc., etc. And for those that want to go a little bit more advanced, there was that HTML option. So next, you're going to see with Reimagine, we can take any website. So here is one for Bruce's Doggy Daycare, and you can see just how simple it is. I can recreate any kind of website just by using a simple URL, and when it recreates reimagines that website, I can then go and customize the font, the colors, the text, the layout, and I can ask the AI for edits, add new sections, maybe want a canvas, and it's going to be optimized for both mobile and for normal viewing, as you can see. So all of these elements can be done freehand, and we can customize and edit literally anything with the color backgrounds, anything you may want or you should expect when it comes to a website. And this one was another editor that I said I would come back to when it comes to with the AI template or the AI studio options. You'll see the same editor style where we can customize the font, the background, we can add colors, gradients, we can add new sections, blocks, sliders, articles. We can actually also look at different categories, call to actions, if you want to have applications or embed form surveys for email marketing purposes, or you just want to collect data for sales. We can do all of this. So here you can see I'm just going to add that, and you can see with the form builder we have different levels of integrations, and you'll even see with typography, everything is just one click essentially. So you can actually save sections, you can change everything on the fly, you can add animations. Okay, you can change animations on page load, fade in, slide, flip, horizontal. So everything you would imagine when it comes to a website builder, and so much more. So you can embed videos, we can do different types of headlines, HTML, images. Here we have my media, we've got stock media, AI images you can create, and even artistly. Remember, all of this stuff is going to be royalty free. So when it comes to content creation, or when it comes to images, all of this is going to be applicable for you to use, and not whine about going to other sites and having to pay credits for images you can actually use. So everything is pretty much ready to go. Hosting is going to be included. You can use your own domain, custom domain names. There's commercial use, you can use this, no hidden charges. And remember, this is the last AI generation website builder you will ever need.